this is Colorado 2012. The right timing. This one, the intake camshaft. Number 2 must be upper position. And then the exhaust. Number 3, also upper position, almost there into the side of the bolt from here. And then from this one, there's 2 marks. One, and here must be the upper position. The exhaust also must be this one. You see the small circle. And then this one also should be here. And then the dowel, if you remove this pulley, you see the dowel from here. Must be here. The dowel coming in this position, and then the other side also exhaust from here. And there's a marking on the lower portion coming from here. And then the one, yeah, see the tensioner, the arrow must be coming up almost from here. See? This one. That's the exactly installing for the timing belt and the marking. Yeah. Coming from there, there's mark from downside. And then you must be look this one. This is the important. Number 2 camshaft upper intake. This is the intake camshaft. It should be opposite like that. That's the intake. This is the exhaust. And then the number 3 coming up. The number 2 coming up also. That's the exactly installing timing. The Colorado 2012 model. See, if you remove this bolt, you can see there's a pin and then there's a one gap coming like that. You almost always the pin coming from here, dowel pin, and then also from here, this side position. Because there's some people confusing install the timing of the Colorado. And also this is the valve cover must be put to exactly where's the position. See, this one now must be exactly aligned. One coming from here. The exhaust, this is the exhaust coming from here. Should be together. This is the intake and this is the exhaust. Also this one important. For the tensioner, this one must be coming from here before you tie. Okay. That's all, my friend.